Hello kids, I'm your teacher Ruby Lionel here. I welcome you all in today's class. I hope you are all fine. In last class we have learned about writing teen words and today our topic is backward counting from 10 to 1. Before starting, forward, F-O-R-W-A-R-D, forward. Next is backward, B-A-C-K-W-A-R-D, backward counting. Children, we will learn the concept of forward and backward. Okay, now children, look at this picture. What you are seeing? Yes, these are cars. The first car is moving forward. The first car is moving forward. The next car is moving backward. Car is moving backward. Kids, have you understood the concept of forward and backward? Today we will learn about forward counting. Forward counting from 1 to 10. 1. What comes after 1? 2. What comes after 2? 3. What comes after 3? 4. What comes after 4? 5. What comes after 5? 6. What comes after 6? 7. What comes after 7? 8. What comes after 8? 9. What comes after 9? 10. So children, have you noticed by writing 1 to 10? I have started writing from 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then 10. So while writing starting from 1 to 10, we call it as a forward counting. Now come to the next. What will we learn? Let's see. Oh, it's a backward counting from 10 to 1. Let's see. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So when I ask you to write backward counting, you have to write number starting from 10. What comes before 10? 9. What comes before 9? 8. What comes before 8? 7. What comes before 7? 6. What comes before 6? 5. What comes before 5? 4. What comes before 4? 3. What comes before 3? 2. What comes before 2? 1. So, when we write number from 10 in backward direction, we call each as a backward counting. Hope you understood, children. Okay, children, let's start writing. Before we start writing backward counting, let's revise how we do forward counting and what T and U stand for. T stands for tens and U stand for unit. A single number is written under the unit. We always write single number under the U unit. T stands for tens and U stand for unit. Okay, let's start forward counting from 1 to 10. What is the first number in maths? 1. Then 2. Next is 3. Then 4. Next is 5. Then 6. Next is 7. Then 8. Next is 9. And the last is 1, 0, 10. 10 is a double number. That's why we will write in the tens column. 1 tens, 0 unit. 1 tens, 0 unit. This is how you write forward counting from 1 to 10. Okay, now today we write backward counting. Backward counting start from the last number. The last number here is number 10. First, we started from this point and we went downwards. Now we will go upward or in the opposite direction. While writing backward counting, okay, how I will tell you, the last number is 10. So we will write 10 here, okay. What comes before 10? Yes, 9. Write 9. What comes before 9? Yes, 8. Write 8. What comes before 8? 7. Yes, write 7. What comes before 7? 6. Write 6. What comes before 6? 5. Write 5. What comes before 5? 4. Write 4. What comes before 4? 3. Write 3. What comes before 3? 2. Write 2. What comes before 2? 1. Last number is 1. Very good. In forward counting, we start from 1. Okay. The first number in maths, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We go downwards, but in backward counting we go opposite direction. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is how you will write backward counting. Again, we will write backward counting. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, student, do it like this in your copy. Now, I am giving you activities. In activity number 1, we are going to write backward counting 10 to 1. So, let us help the rocket blast off by counting backward. Example, in the first bubble, we will write 10. What number is in the second bubble? 9. That's good. Now, in the next bubble, we will write 8. Okay, children, now you have to complete the bubble by writing backward counting. Activity number 2. In this picture, we can see a staircase and the ball is coming down from the stairs. Now we see number 10 is written on the top steps. We will now count the steps backward. Okay. Example 10. The next step we write 9. Following the step writing 8. Following the step writing. Now you will complete this staircase. In this activity, you will write backward counting starting from the giving number. What shape is this? Yes, It is a triangle. What number is written in the first triangle? 9. Now the next number is 8. So what will be the next backward counting? Number 7. Very good. Okay children, remember we are doing backward counting. Now complete the next two shapes, square and circle, by writing backward counting from the giving number. I hope you have understood and enjoyed these activities. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.